What's going on, boys and girls? Another video, another explore. Standard. I've literally got to get a new saying because it feels like I'm doing it too much. But anyway, another explore. Victoria's house, but I'm going to rename it Queen Victoria's house, and you'll see why in a little bit. I've literally just came in through some sort of extension. It's a bit trashed. Doors ajar, I can just squeeze through it, so I thought I'd start you in the bathroom. This is a quirky little place. Love it, seen better days. Maybe a bit quiet in here because there's nosy neighbours. Just look at this, awesome. House just doesn't flow properly, and if you ask me, I suppose I've come through a side way, not the main entrance. Look at different layers of wallpaper. Hello 70s, hello 80s. Damn cool. Look at this kitchen. How gorgeous is this? The old jars. Toaster. Crawford's Rover. Salted biscuits. It is like stepping back in time, as most of these properties are. Look at the door. These are cool little slippers. Bless how little they are. Wellies by the door, small feet. Literally, you know, you see these places, majority of them feel like the husband's passed away. Oh, sorry, the wife's passed away, it's just the husband around, but role reversal in this place, I think. Judging by the little feet. Bournemouth, it's cute. This room, guys. A lovely clock. That's a calendar, that'd be good to see. December 1982. A decade before I was born. Lovely room, dresser. Lovely little armchair. Keep warm by the fire. Why is it Victoria's place? There we go. Queen Victoria up on the wall. That's an unusual picture to have up, mind. Hospital. Unless it makes you think one of these nurses is actually the owner that lived here. Sorry if there's any glare on there. Amazing. That's an old picture, wow. Bunch of smartly dressed gentlemen. I know the old dears are here today, checking everything out. The bed, wow. We'll do, guys, we'll go up first, then we'll come back through to this. That's closed off for some reason. Let's take you for a little look under. Don't know what's under there yet, I haven't looked myself. Toilet, I'm guessing. Still got the devil there, whoa. Whoa, steep stairs. Oh, wow. That's a stunning room. Starting here first. Oh, look at that fireplace. Literally in the middle of nowhere, so you're never going to see this place. It's got a big bed for a small room. Sorry guys, I know it's a bit noisy, but wallpaper everywhere. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is damn cool. 1937. Literally stepping into history. I love it. All about the war. Brilliant. A lot of respect for places like these, guys. Look at that. God, that's stunning. I just can't help it whenever I get in these situations. Just like, obviously I sell vintage toys, antiques, and my head just goes crazy just thinking, what a waste, what it could be. King George, 1937, bloody hell. Pea bottle. What a place. Look at that. Stunning. Right, I'm gonna get the camera out, get some shots. We'll pick this up back down there when they've finished in that room. So as promised, we returned to the little downstairs room. Just check this place. I gotta come up the doorway for you to get a full experience, if you like. There's some gorgeous furniture in this house. Look at that. Avoiding my camera, obviously, but wow. Amazing. Just random tin. Diary, 1935. So fragile. 1934. Only the one page is filled in, right through. I ever see stuff like this, just reminds me of my gran, like she used to write everything down like that. Amazing. There we go, that's Victoria's house done. Queen Victoria's house, if you like. There's not much point doing the outside, it's so overgrown, because as I said, it's been derelict a number of years. It's just pointless rummaging through the trees. I don't think there's much else out to see out there. So yeah, sallying off on this one. Thank you for watching and enjoying it. See you next week. Boss out.